Oh. And again.
You're gonna come up with your arms like this. You undo
what we
everything
just
I
did.
Okay.
Oh. On the left. Ooh, there's the right. That was my shoulder that cracked. It wasn't her. So I just feel real tense.
Yeah. The right side definitely hurts more.
Okay, I'm gonna bend you to the side.
Okay.
Does that hurt?
No.
Now look, watch me go this way.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay, there's a little spot. I'm gonna come back here, Linnea. I'll show it.
Okay.
She's got, now I don't adjust these segments from here down, and it's also lifted superiorly like this. So when I take her, I grab the segment right there, there's the joint, and I'm gonna laterally bend you. It doesn't like that. It's swollen because it's stuck that way. This way she's fine. She's like, that don't feel bad. And I go this way, ow. Okay, so this one is actually subluxated. Do I adjust it? No, I go up here. I'm thinking to myself, I can't believe I do this. Okay, it's moving. This, I cannot get it to move. Okay, so that needs the adjustment. Breathe. A little deeper. Can we go a little deeper?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, every time you breathe, your muscles flex. Okay, on inhalation. It tells me a lot. Clavius, right? You know all these muscle names. There you go. Take you back. I'm going to go each articulation backwards. Okay. C1 and C0 and a little bit of C2. There you go. Very good. This is our good side. That's it. There you go. Oh, that's it. Oh, man. Very good. I'll rest you kind of here.
Okay.
Yep. Take it, stretch it. That's it. Okay, give you a break, give you a break. Just try to get a little deeper. I'm going to try a little more.
Okay.
You tell me. Yes, no? I'm getting another.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Take another part of it. Oh my God. Whoa. You don't usually say that. I mean, wow. No neck pain?
It hurts sometimes, but like, I don't know. It's
You're
pretty
mostly
manageable.
Wow. How old are you again?
22.
27, so yeah. This isn't gonna feel too good in 20 years. We gotta fix this.
Like that definitely hurts more than what you did before.
Yeah, this is all on this right side. Wow. Okay, okay. Chin back. That's it. Yeah, that needs the adjustment.
Okay.
Feel how this is all swollen over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta park that.
Okay.
Chin back. Yep, that makes it less painful. Yeah, it makes it less torque when I put you back into extension. I'm closing down the joint. There's one. Perfect.
That feels so good.
Now we gotta go this way.
Okay.
Awesome. I wasn't sure if it was gonna move. It's so stuck. Yeah, this side. You already know it's coming. I got you. Think thoughts right here. Very good.
Okay.
breathe. Let it drain, let it drain. That's it. Wow, much better. I'm gonna take you back a little further. Hi. Oh, much better though. This is still gonna take me a little bit of time.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let it, before I make you too much more sore,
Okay.
I'm just gonna let it kind of rest here and I'm gonna check it in a second. Yeah. No, it's the big toes. Oh, that's why.
Oh, was that you or was that?
No, that was. I felt it in my like the upper knuckle.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a weird feeling. Like, why is she
All
acting
kinds
so?
of messed up.
Well, I don't know. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, it felt good.
Oh, that was a big clunk. You can get all of these?
Like the big three, like the big toe and then two of
These two.
The last two are.
What are you doing? Because I cannot get, not with like the way that I do them. I'm figuring it out how you're doing it.
Yeah, like that, like from
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you created like a little groove.
Uh-huh.
It's okay. Can't really hurt the toes too much. You can't. I mean, it's pretty safe. The big toe, I'm not sure. Oh. See, what happens is, that's why I can always tell when somebody's been to the chiropractor, because they create like little grooves. So I'm kind of like, wait, how does he do it? Ah! Now I get it. I usually just like to pull straight like that. A curl will give you a crack. It's just try to go more straight. All right. Long axis. Then I come in, give it some angle, and go for it. Okay, if you can handle that one, you can handle the next one. Oh man, that's stuck. That is tight. Ooh. Okay, reach overhead and grab the table for me. This hip socket. Good. Doesn't need much more than that. Good. All right. Whew. Well, now that's basically like top to bottom there. Now we got to do the mid back and the bottom. Like I just I'm like
That feels so much better.
Does it feel okay?
Yeah. I can
That
definitely
really-
like move my neck a lot more.
Well, if you're good with that, we'll continue.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and face down for me. Yep, and the hands can go on the pads right here. I'm gonna reach up and grab on, I'm gonna push on your butt here, okay? I'm gonna push on your glute right here. That's kind of interesting. Posterior ilium on the left. All right, raise this leg up straight and down, and then this one, and down. Good. Oh, right. I just popped it with my thumb. Deep breath in. All the way out. Ooh. Woo. I'm actually gonna have to go over here, Lenny. I'm sorry. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. Right there. Muscle spasms from T12 down to L3 on the left. You okay?
Yeah. That just tickles.
Sorry.
No,
Sorry,
it's
I'm poking you.
okay.
I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to adjust this last
Okay.
little guy down here. Deep breath in. And out. It's a little too tight for me to go all
Okay.
the way. Deep breath in. Ooh, I don't know if I can get it. Breathe. I know. This is the roughest part sometimes. But it clears away all the cobwebs so I can get in there. And then I'm real specific. Breathe. Yeah, there, a little bit let go. Just you breathing around it. I don't think you get these. You're real good at these guys, but down here is really stuck.
Okay.
Breathe. Here. Yeah, she was all tight over here, and this part's easy, a piece of cake. Right? This is difficult. Ow, ow, ow. This is no problem. Or am I wrong?
I'm just getting through it. Yeah, that definitely hurts more than the neck.
This down here?
Yeah.
Really? Her neck was, in my opinion, worse shape than this. This is common. This is classic. I can back off. What do you
No,
want me-
I'm good.
I mean, I'll try. I don't want, like I said earlier, please let me know.
I'm good.
I'll try to give it some shape. You know, I'm going to go heavy on this side and light over here. Three. That's it. Take a deep breath in. And out. And again. Mm. Come on. And there, part of it went. Oh. Ooh. This is just tightness, cheater spot, sore on everybody. Come on. Gonna go for it.
Okay.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, bring that down. That's good. Very good. Very good. You've got several on this side. This
Okay.
side only had one. This one has like 3. Warm it up. Warm it up. There we go. 2, 3. I didn't quite get it all. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're tough, man. There it goes. Hey, you're doing it. Ah. Very carefully. Down. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
There it is. That's the knot. Breathe. Yeah, it's just this. There you go. Let
man. Oh man. Very good, very good. Okay. Sorry, my man's going this side. No, we got rid of a lot of it. It's smooth. Okay, it's pretty smooth.
Okay.
Breathe. The eyes must be level with the horizon. Just feeling it. Right, feel it right there. Now we get to see it as I pull it through. And there she is. I don't feel anything up here. I can put, like, watch, I'll try. Kinda. I can't really pull much out here. This side's pretty good though. It's not as bad as the other one. It's just small. These bruises last about 7 days.
Okay.
They fade every day. Okay, arm down for me. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Is it like really red?
Yeah.
No.
I'm just checking. Sometimes these can be painful when it's this red. So that's why I ask.
I felt it more on the right side than like
Interesting.
this left side.
Fascinating. Okay. It is what it is. Needs to be done. Put some more oil down on you. Put oil down. Don't tear up her skin. I'm not cutting her skin. Her skin is intact. Okay, feels just like normal, just feels real hot. She looks so aggressive. Patient is still talking, breathing, smiling, laughing. She's fine. You put some numbing cream on. I did not. Oh. Explaining this through the World Wide Web is a really difficult thing to do. Because look at this. Oh my goodness. Am I hurting you at all?
No.
Okay. It's there. We see it. I need like those binoculars that the dentists have. This is the part where I look. I'm thinking about it. People are like, is she blind? I know this part I actually have to observe. You don't want to keep pulling until they bleed. They will eventually bleed. We don't take it past that point. Just to the surface. Okay, okay. Ooh, that's a bad one. Okay. Breathe, breathe, breathe. It's a tickle.
No, that's fine.
Okay. Whatever you say, Chief. Whatever you say. My masterpiece.
Oh, oh my god, that's really bad.
It's not terrible. No,
That
no.
looks worse.
No, no,
No.
look. This red, this pink
Mhm.
will go away.
Okay.
And like in 30 minutes, it'll be gone.
Okay, and then just
This
the
dark
red spot.
spots, yes, that will take about 7 days. Your back is fine.
Okay.
Okay, it will heal. And it won't leave any scars. Nothing. But you can see the underlying issues here that you have. This shoulder, really bruised. Okay, that's what's going on. Now we gotta do the neck and all of that, and I'm gonna sit you up for that one.
Okay.
This is almost to the point of bleeding.
Yeah.
So I have to not go,
Yeah, you can like almost see like the pores.
yeah, you can't go for past that point. When it gets that dark red, you just move on. Move on. Keep moving. You just keep doing it. Okay, let's see what we find up here. And I'm just gonna brace you a little bit. This side, sorry, my elbow is probably in the way, but this side isn't as bad. Yeah, I'm pushing pretty hard, and this is all I'm getting. That hurt?
No.
No. Okay. Is it over here? I think I already tried to pull it out over here. Yeah, there's nothing really here. Okay, so here's an example of me pushing. I can't get anything out. So this isn't your problem. Like, feel it. Go ahead and feel the back of your neck.
Yeah.
It's just warm.
Yeah, it's just warm.
But does the skin hurt?
No.
No. Okay, okay. When I feel the bone dip, then I know it's pliable, and I don't go anymore. This one doesn't really have anything to it to grab onto, to push into. I can like try to search. Yeah, see, there's nothing really here to push into. Sure, there's your trapezius is up there. It's just crunchy. See that?
Yeah.
Ugh. All right, and elbow back and towards mine. Just your elbow. Good. Want more
His
crack in him?
face.
I can't see what he looks like under the mask.
Waiting for it.
Elbow back. Elbow. Just your elbow.
My feet are like off the ground. Right
Let's
now.
scoot a little forward. I'll take a seat. Okay. Oh, just the elbow back. So you're gonna like pull. I always have trouble with you on the other side. it's like you know what's coming. Now push your elbow back into yourself. You're gonna do it to yourself, and that's why it's weird.
Yeah. I don't know how I can do the left side like perfectly fine.
Sit up straight. Yep. And then elbow back. Oh wait, all I am is just a wall, and then you push against
Okay.
it. I move everything. Do you adjust your elbows?
Sometimes I do,
I
yeah.
think you do, yeah. Ooh. Lean away from me. Lean away, lean away. Good. You can relax that hand. Just pull it. I kind of just squeeze them. I don't want. There you go. Lean away. Ooh. Yeah, it's on this one too. Maybe you're just made that way.
I don't know, I'm double jointed, like in my fingers. I don't know if that has anything to do with that.
I didn't notice that in your.
You know, like I can
Mm-hmm. I don't feel that as far as the integrity of your joints.
Yeah, I think it's just in your hands. I didn't notice that your knees were backwards. Like some people when they stand their knees.
Yeah, my mom has that.
Has
yeah.
that. So you get it from her.
Yeah.
Perfect. First side. This is the SI joint, so we have to take you into hyperextension. That's it. On your back. The pubic symphysis, which is the joint on the front. Press out against my arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then squeeze. More. A little bit yourself. Okay. Very good. I'm gonna grab underneath your legs. I've got you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Breathe. Let it out. There we went. Perfect.
Like a lot better.